phone tag of any man.
I'm ready with the intelligence. That was the plan.
On your ready? It's been 2 months since you passed on the little marshal about sauerkraut.
I've been having trouble getting into the city without raising suspicions, all right? It's not as easy for me as you think.
No one thinks it is easy. But this is about more than just you.
What's this?
That is your new Bible.
You got a lily or something, Mike?
Make sure
Got a lily or something?
words can't be read by the enemy, in case of intercept. Each word has its own number. Ben shows the words you've got to use most. Now, yeah, here. 722. That's you. 721. It's Fanny Boy. 725. Yours truly.
Yeah, but hang on a sec. Look,